In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips to help get your baby rolling. Hey, it's Morgan. Welcome to the Passable Parent channel. I've been a pediatric nurse for the past 10 years, specializing in early childhood development, and I'm also a mom. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And make sure to comment down below if you have any questions. I love to hear from all of you. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Parents, it's easy to feel concerned about milestones, especially during the first year, and it's natural to compare. But here's a little parent-to-parent reminder. Your baby's development path is completely unique. Development happens in ranges that can span weeks and even months. And remember, no two children develop exactly the same. Your baby might be really into rolling as a way to get around, or they might just roll occasionally. Don't stress it too much, parents. There is no research that shows a correlation between being an avid early roller and being a great athlete later in life. Babies typically learn to roll from belly to back much sooner than from back to belly. Here are some average ranges for when babies actually start rolling. The first type of rolling I want to talk about is from your baby's back to their side. Babies typically roll from their back to their side between 4 and 5.5 months old. The second is babies rolling from their belly to their back. Babies typically roll from their belly to their back between 4 and 6 months of age. And the last is rolling from their back to their belly. Babies typically roll from their back to their belly between 5.5 and 7 months of age. And parents, this is just a reminder from another parent and a pediatric nurse to always keep an eye on your baby, especially on the changing table, bed, or anywhere else that there's a risk of falling. It just takes a few seconds for accidents to happen, and it's a horrible, horrible thing that I don't want any of you to experience. Babies, even as young as a few weeks old, have been known to spontaneously just roll over and fall off of high surfaces. So I want to share with you some ways to help get your baby rolling. If your baby is working on rolling from their back to their side, you can encourage your baby to practice kicking by putting them on their back with their legs and feet near Crinkle toys or any toys with bells or sound making that you can have placed around their feet. And I'll make sure to link some great ones down in the description box below if you'd like to check them out. You can even place some parchment paper down on the floor underneath your baby's legs and feet so that they can hear the crunching sound and the crinkling sound that it makes as they kick their legs and their feet. Kicking actually strengthens your baby's core and their neck muscles and gets them ready to roll over. If your baby is working on rolling from their belly to their back, plenty of tummy time will help your baby build the muscles for rolling over, and eventually when on their tummy, they will kick their legs over and roll to their back. You will know when your baby is getting ready to roll over when they start to use their hands to reach for objects in front of them while they're on their tummy. And another sign is that when they can push up onto their hands, straightening their arms to get themselves up a little higher. If your baby isn't into tummy time, about half of parents say that their babies struggle or don't enjoy tummy time as well. So you are not alone, parents. Make sure to check out my video and full tutorial on how to get your baby to enjoy that tummy time. In my tummy time video, I go over some different ways that you can keep your baby happier during tummy time. And finally, if your baby is working on rolling from their back to their belly, something that you can do after you notice that your baby is tucking their chin and pulling their legs in towards their body when they are on their back is you can start encouraging them to roll from their back to their belly by holding a ball or a toy right in their line of vision. When you move that toy over to the side, they will have to roll over to see it. And that really helps encourage that rolling from back to belly. Parents, I hope that this video was helpful and gives you the tools to help your baby learn how to roll and when you can expect them to hit certain rolling milestones. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos on all things child development, parenthood, and giving your child the best start possible in life. And if you have any questions for me, make sure to comment them down below. Thank you so much for your time today and for your support. I hope to see you in the next video.